If Roblox Studio is stuck on connecting to server, here's a quick fix to get you back on track. First, close Roblox Studio completely and restart your internet router to refresh your connection. Next, clear Roblox's cache by pressing Windows plus R, typing %local app data %, and hitting Enter. Find the Roblox folder and delete the versions folder inside. It forces Roblox Studio to download fresh files. Also, try running Roblox Studio as an administrator. Right-click the shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can fix permission issues that block connections. If you're still stuck, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Roblox Studio is allowed through both, as they sometimes block it from connecting. Finally, make sure your system time and date are correct, since incorrect settings can cause server connection problems. These steps usually fix the issue quickly. Let me know if it worked or if you need more help.